I've never done this before in any Animal Crossing game I've ever owned. But finally, it's happened. I've completed my encyclopedia. Except bugs. Tell me everything. Yes, blathers. Yes, I have completed it. I must save a memory. Saving. Successfully saved. Rest assured you, I accept. Yes, I forgot something. One more thing. To go in and look at my beautiful creations. High detail. Every fish known to man. Discovered by me. Let's go up. The pufferfish, moray eel, and blowfish will now live in harmony. So does the seahorse, the hammerhead shark, every other specimen in this tank. You can't forget the sea butterflies. You also can't forget the tropical fish, the Napoleon fish. Now let's take a tour on the last room of the fish exhibit. The whale shark, the sunfish, the mahi-mahi, the whale shark, the great white shark, the blue marlin, the tuna, the giant trevally, the horse mackerel, the suckerfish, the anchovies. I have every single one. If you don't believe me, take a look at this. Every single one complete. This video was made in part because it's celebrating the completion of Animal Crossing and Fish Encyclopedia. It's been a fun ride. And I will rest assured, I will post more videos. By the way, it's getting late. Anyway, kudos to you all. And see you soon.